Foreign exchange maybe is a wonderful prism, a lens to look at the dynamics of the international economy. What does foreign exchange say right now about this great trade debate?
Well, if you look at emerging market currencies, they have rallied since September. This rally has moderated somewhat, but they're still on the whole up, with the exception of a number of idiosyncratic stories that are being played by political risks. I think on the whole, the view that the currency market is taking is that the U.S. trade deal is going to be resolved one way or the other, and there's going to be a deal pretty soon. So I think as far as this thing is concerned, the FX market is taking a rather relaxed view.
A rather relaxed view, and the dynamics is quiet within the markets. Is one example. What does the yuan do if we actually come to a settlement? Everybody's dollar focused. What about on the other side?
Well, I think in that scenario, we just keep on going lower in the dollar-China. This has been a trade that has surprised many so far this year. Pretty much everyone was calling for dollar-China at 7. Right now, we're trading at 6.70, and I think there are good odds that we're going to gravitate towards 6.65 or 6.60.
So a stronger renminbi,
yes,
weaker U.S.
towards the end of the year, yeah.
Where do you see this going? I mean, again, I don't know whether the one that has the more to gain if you know the standoff continues is Europe, because otherwise then President Trump sets his sights on Europe and specifically Germany.
Yeah, or you get caught in the middle if you're looking at the flow of global overcapacities, right? That's another thing, because let's face also domestic political realities in Europe, where the trade issue is also becoming more salient, and that I think for me is the key thing over the medium to longer term. These issues are being politicized, right? I mean, in Europe we used to outsource trade questions to the technocratic European Commission, and that was it. Now everybody's taking an interest in these things. So whether you achieve a deal, say, between the US and China now, that topic as such is not going to go away, and it's going to remain something that, you know, really stirs up the political conversation.
Okay, but Vasileios, what do you think is right now priced in the markets? So the markets assume, because President Trump wants a deal so badly, that they've assumed that they're going to be a positive news.
No, I don't think it's going to be that much positive. I think the market has pretty much priced in that a deal is coming. I think the market has looked at the way that President Trump has been behaving. The market assumes that Mr. Trump has got the message as far as stocks are concerned, which is presumably what he's really concerned about. So the market is priced in potentially a probability of 90% that we're going to get a deal with China.
90%, 90?
Yeah.
Do you believe that?
Yeah. I mean, look, we've pretty much...
We thought that about in Hanoi. Remember 2 a.m. in the morning in New York, and that was all going to get fixed. Boom, it was done.
Well, equities have pretty much recouped all the losses that we have had.
It's been remarkable.
Yeah, it's been completely remarkable. And again, dollar-China, as you mentioned previously, the move has caught everyone by surprise. And right now at 67, I just think it's pricing in that the deal is done.